Hello, welcome to the Marc Drouinaud Show, the tech show about hacking. In this video, I'm going to go over the updated ChatGPT 4 that is all over. I'm going to explain what are the updates, how can you best utilize this new tool for everyday use. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So the upgraded multimodal ChatGPT 4, or GPT-4 for short, can solve difficult problems with greater accuracy thanks to its broader general knowledge and problem-solving abilities, according to OpenAI.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
One unique feature is the chatbot's ability to generate illustrative text and images based on any input prompt from the user. According to developers, what makes this new AI model superior over its predecessor, stay tuned ChatGPT users, is its ability to advanced reasoning capabilities, which produce safer and more useful responses. Developers said they took 6 months to scale up deep learning to ensure the fourth iteration of ChatGPT would be safer and more aligned. To improve the chatbot's overall behavior, developers said they've utilized feedback from over 50 experts in areas such as AI safety and security, as well as feedback submitted from ChatGPT users. So keep them coming. Keep them coming, ChatGPT users. Keep them coming. They're listening and they're making improvements. So let's keep it coming. So GPT-4 is 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content and 40% more likely to produce factual responses than GPT 3.5 on our internal evaluation, OpenAI states. Released in November 2022, ChatGPT has documented by users to produce at times disturbing content to ethical questions about humanity, as well as AI hallucinations, in which the chatbot generates completely false content but presents it as fact. This technology will profoundly transform how we live. There is still time to guide its trajectory, limit abuse, and secure the most broadly beneficial outcomes, said Anna M., who is the head of public policy at OpenAI. GPT-4 can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks, such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style, the company said. According to OpenAI internal statistics, GPT-4 easily outscores ChatGPT among simulated exams. OpenAI president and co-founder Greg B. showcased some of GPT-4 abilities during a developer demo Tuesday, which was praised by those who tuned into the recorded live stream. "I'm impressed how GPT-4 can read doctors' handwriting," one viewer commented. GPT-4's applications are vast, ranging from creating training materials to performing mathematical calculations. The technology has the potential to transform many industries as it understands user intent from context and can analyze images, wrote another viewer. "Amazing demo. The Napkin to HTML was mind-blowing. There are so many applications. You could make glasses that give descriptive audio to visually impaired and so on." "The future is nuts," commented another. "The welcome reception is a far cry from Google's attempt to introduce their own AI chatbot competition known as Bard. During Google's live YouTube presentation, designed to show off on Bard's capabilities, the chatbot instead returned wrong answers to input questions, and moments later, the string abruptly was taken down.
That's weird.
The February flop of its ChatGPT rival cost the company billions in value. Still, according to OpenAI, GPT-4 still has many known limitations to address, including social biases, hallucinations, and adversarial prompts. Currently, GPT-4 is available on ChatGPT Plus, which is a monthly paid subscription for users. OpenAI has also given access to API for developers to build applications and services. Microsoft, who has poured millions of dollars into OpenAI since ChatGPT release, announced the GPT-4 version has now been formally integrated into its current Bing browser. The software giant will be incorporating ChatGPT 4 into its Azure cloud and other Microsoft technology. The move is expected to create a financial windfall and guaranteed place on top of the AI chatbot competition for Microsoft and OpenAI. AI systems are becoming a part of everyday life. The key is to ensure that these machines are aligned with human intentions and values, said Mira M., who's the Chief Technology Officer at OpenAI. So that was this story. What do you think about this new GPT-4? I want to know your opinion. This is now supposedly it gives better answers, right? So we'll see. Please hit the notification bell. Please hit the subscribe button. I love you. Stay safe. See you on the next video.